In the 1880s, cycling became a major phenomenon in Europe. Parking permits can be collected through the Student Service Office.
The Student Service Center is located on the main campus behind the library. The Genetic Biology Technology Lab is located in the north wing of the library.
Our capacity to respond to national needs will determine our ability to flourish.